In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view how many watchers are on an item on eBay in 2025. Whether you're a buyer curious about demand or a seller wanting to know the competition, this simple trick will give you valuable insight in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the eBay app on your phone or head over to the eBay website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the details on the listings. Next, find the item you're interested in. You can either type it into the search bar or browse through categories until you spot it. Once you see the listing, click on it to open the full product page. Now, here's the key part. Scroll down to the section just under the item's price and shipping details. That's where eBay shows the number of watchers for that specific product. This tells you how many people have clicked watch to save the listing and keep an eye on it. Why is this useful? If you're a buyer, a higher watcher count usually means the item is popular and it might sell out quickly, so you'll want to act fast. If you're a seller, it's a great way to gauge interest and understand how competitive your listing really is. And that's it, super quick and straightforward. With this method, you'll always know exactly how many people are keeping tabs on an item before making your next move. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.